You gotta be politically correct, bro. Hey.
Hey.
You gotta be politically correct. What is it called?
Tranny mount?
A transmission mount, dude.
What?
Wow.
Okay, fine.
Start that over, boy.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to YEVS Builds with another video. Today we are going to be installing a Megan Racing transmission mount on my 2010 Hyundai Genesis. Name is Jenny or Megan. We really haven't chosen that yet, but you guys can help out with that.
Drop your name ideas down in the comments below. Drop them. Well, let's get underneath and go from there, man.
Alright, let's do it.
Well, first of all, you want to jack up your car, dude.
First jack up the car.
Don't mind our bunk ass setup.
So you're gonna point on the transmission and hold it up a little bit so you can take off the bolts, and so when you take off the bolts, the transmission doesn't just fall down. And after that, that's when you start switching the transmission mounts.
Excuse the difficult recording situation here. This is the transmission brace. It just pretty much holds it up, and the transmission mount goes right in between the brace and the transmission. It's a pretty simple setup. You want to undo that? What is that? Size 14? 12?
Yeah, size 14.
It's size 14 mil. You want to undo this?
A little bit. And then...
Keep in mind your jack. Use your jack to lift your transmission up a little bit, just so it wouldn't be falling down, you know? It won't fall down, but it's just gonna be hanging a little bit. This is the whole point of this brace, because it adds support. There's 4 side bolts of the actual transmission mount holding on to the transmission. Pretty simple. You undo those. And you're golden, baby!
Some are bolts and some are nuts. For some reason, I don't know if that's...
Salvage title. Dude, sick nose, bro.
Dude, I know. Got it from my family, my dad.
Oh, so cocked.
The brace takes off with the old transmission mount. And so you'll take your 12 mil and you'll take off these 4 bolts. So basically, from right here. And that's it. And then after that, I would go back under, attach attach these 4 bolts, and then attach the brace at the end, and then that's it with the install.
For now. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the D10. If you've been keeping up with our videos, we've been kind of on a halt. Here's a little sneak peek. Crankshaft, new, polished. We're just waiting on main bearings to come in, and then rod bearings, really. But that, you know, that's a different video. So subscribe. Subscribe if you want to know more. Subscribe. Shameless plug. Doesn't even matter because we're on the same channel.
So initially, what this Mega Racing transmission mount does, it pretty much it's just a tad bit higher than the original one. So basically, I guess it would just kind of make the transmission more level with everything else. And pretty much what I've noticed when I'm driving, that the second gear locks up. And I looked at online and on the forums that everyone recommends to install this to kind of fix that situation.
So here we are doing this now.
Here we are.
Dope. Nice. Align that. Just like I'm trying to align this focus. Don't just tighten them all the way. Tighten them evenly all around.
And tight.
After a little while, we got it in. And it's going in nice and easy. You don't want to tighten up the mount bolts all the way, just so it would have some play. And then you tighten the brace all the way down. And then you tighten the mounts, the 4 mount bolts. And then you tighten those 4. And you're gonna be good. Simple. Don't rush yourselves. You want to lower the transmission. Just a smidge. Well, all the way, really. Because then it's sitting on it. It's all good. As you tighten those, and you finish these up, those 4 on the bottom, that's it, really.
Alright, now you see this is the old, so out with the old, in with the new.
Boom! Subscribe.